If you missed day one, here's a recap. Hiking, camping, and questionable campfire cooking at the Oregon coast. Now, let's get to day two. Gloomy skies equals perfect excuse to geek out over cheese. Tillamook Creamery tour for the win. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori and we're exploring my backyard here in Oregon. It was a little too early to eat at the Tillamook Creamery, so I got sushi instead. And then here's my view. Just gorgeous. Skies clearing, waves calling, beach time at Cape Lookout State Park. This place is pure Oregon coast magic, and I have the shots to prove it. Now it's time to get warmed up with a campfire. Okay, I moved one piece of wood, so then it just caught on fire. Okay, for dinner, I'm gonna make a beef stroganoff. So if you saw my last video where I had my first solo camping trip, I had a beef stroganoff, but it was freeze dried. And so I thought I would go ahead and just make my recipe and see how it goes. It looks pretty good. I probably cooked way too much pasta, but I also brought a lot of meat. Okay, here's my stroganoff. I didn't have any parsley to make it look pretty, so I just put some more tarragon on top and a little salt and pepper. So let's see how this tastes. Noodles are probably just a little al dente, which is fine. That's pretty good. I had some normal sized utensils that would be better, but this is still pretty good. Seriously, this cleaning dishes while camping is for the birds. I'm not doing a very good job. I have a wash basin that I brought. I'm not even using it. So if you have any good tips, can you leave them in the comments? Something easy. I think I saw somebody using disinfectant wipes that are meant for dishes, so let me know. Okay, I have some good news and bad news. Which do you want to hear first? Okay, good news is I'm really full, so I will hopefully sleep really good tonight. Bad news is I had a really cool dessert planned, and that's not going to happen. I can't even think about putting more food into my stomach. So I'm going to keep that dessert for the next camp trip, but if you want to comment below and let me know what you think it might be, I'll give you two hints. One of them, I'll be using my Dutch oven, and the second hint is it has to do with summertime, so let me know what you think it might be. Coffee time. Good morning. Well, it's early. It's cold. It's warming up though. It was really cold last night, so I'm gonna have to bring a wool blanket next time I come out in the spring or the fall. Anyways, I'm just sitting here having coffee. I'm going to start my breakfast here pretty soon. I'm going to have pancakes. And I'm really excited about the next trip. Okay, it's done. Perfect. This one's just a little too done. Okay, breakfast is pretty good. Now I have all these flies and these birds hanging out, so it's kind of driving me crazy. Thank you so much for camping with me. If you had a little bit of fun, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel, comment on your fondest memory of camping. Anything that you want to do to help support the channel, that would be great. See you next time. Well, that's a wrap on day 2 at Cape Lookout. From gloomy skies to cheesy detours, this Oregon coast trip did not disappoint. If you enjoyed this solo camping adventure, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Until then, go find your own wild.